Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have a little haul from Sephora, and Smudge is right here. He will not get away from me. So anyway, y'all, let me tell you first what I'm wearing. I have on this Natasha Denona palette. This is just called palette number 12 is what this was. This was from a long time ago. This is from when Boxy was still owned by Joe. That's how long ago this was. And I just love it still. And I don't know that you can tell it, but I use it. I just have a lot of palettes, you know, but I'm not one that worries about hitting pan. I know I probably should be. I should do that, but I don't. I have that on. And then I also have on this Clinique Chubby Stick. This feels wonderful. It's more like a, instead of, it's a balm. That's what it's called, Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. And, but it does have some good color to it, you know, for being a balm. And it's a crayon, so I'll turn it up this way. I just had to see that. I'll turn it up this way. It doesn't have to be sharpened, which is nice. And Clinique just has really pretty lipsticks. I got this in a set, a Clinique set back Christmas time or Valentine time or something, where there were 5 or so lipsticks, Clinique lipsticks in a box from it just went out of my head. Hang on. From Macy's. Oh, I get emails from Macy's every single day. And they haven't had a lot of beauty stuff on sale lately. So they go through phases, you know, with that. So from Sephora, my birthday's in December. And if you know have your birthday around Christmas time, then you know what I'm going to be telling you. When we sign up for things and they ask our birth date, you know, you say your birth date, then you get something for free or some coupon or something in the month of your birthday. So in December is Christmas time. We get a lot of free stuff at that time. We get a lot of things. We're eating, his fur is coming up into my face. We're eating all kinds of goodies. We're getting all kinds of nice things already. So some companies, I don't tell them my birthday's in December. I tell them different times of the year. April, June, September, whatever mood I'm in when I'm signing up. So with Sephora, I told them my birthday was in June. So at the beginning of June, they send you an email saying that, you know, you have the month to use this coupon, whatever because you get a free gift from Sephora, a birthday gift, if you are a member of Sephora. So all you have to do to be a member for Sephora is not really much. You just sign up. And then when you spend money, you get points. I don't spend a lot of money at Sephora or at Ulta because I get so much stuff in the boxes. But if you want your free product, you have to go to the store. We do have a Sephora in the town that I work in. I hardly ever go in there though, because I'm afraid I'll come out of there with hundreds of dollars of stuff. If you go in there, then you can get your gift, I think, for free, I think. But if you order something, if you get it online, you have to buy $25 worth of something. So I did. So I got a lot of stuff though. I mean, as far as like free stuff, because I had some points going on and they had some offers if I spent, you know, over 30, that kind of stuff. So let me show you what my birthday gift was. This is my birthday gift. They only had the choice of 4 items. One was sold out, one was in the store only, and the other, I can't remember what the other one was, but this one I got because this is really good stuff. This is Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. It says that it's a free gift, not for resale, and it has 3 products in this box. And I did look them up, and they're all sample sizes. So, but I did get the pricing. Oh, look at it. It's got a little of these, you know, these little things in here. Let me take it out and see what's in there. Smudge is right here. Did I tell you that already? So it has. This is called the Skin Spa Trio. And it doesn't have a value of it. It doesn't tell you what it's valued at. So I looked up the full-size prices to see, you know, what things were. And these are the 3 items in there. There's a little sachet. not my favorite thing to get, but this is the DERM Infusions Fill and Repair Serum. So there's probably a couple of uses in here, okay? And this is $78 for 1 ounce. For the full, no, yeah, the full size would be 1 ounce, and it was $78. And then we have this. Oh my goodness, this is white on cream. I can't read that. Can you read that? Well, maybe I can read that way. Oh my goodness, this is impossible to read. But this is the, let's see, the Blur and Repair Cream. I know that because I print up stuff. So this is $72 for 1.7 ounces, 50 mLs. So Blur and Repair Cream. And then we have the Universal Daily Peel. These are fabulous. We've gotten these in different boxes before. And this has 3 treatments in it. This is the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel, a patented 2-step peel with 5 AHAs and BHAs. Helps smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of uneven tone and texture, achieve clinical results at home. So this is a box of 30 sets, I think it is $94. So there's 3 in here. So this would make this valued at $9.40, right? 1/10, yeah, 1/10 of that. I had to think about that for a second. You can get 60 in a box for $155. So they also have a box of 5 for $20. So anyway, this is a 2-step. This is full size as far as, like, I mean, you would get 30 in a box for the full size, but this is the treatment. You use this side and then this side. This is a pad and then another pad. I've used them before, been a long time. You exfoliate and smooth with one and then anti-aging neutralizer with the other. So these are very, very nice. I know a lot of people like them. So that is my free gift. So to get that free gift, I bought something. So I love Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. So that's what I got. This was $35. So no sale on this. And I have gotten this in the past. It's a little bit different. You have the one little flower bomb perfume, but this has a full-size stick in it, which I use regularly, and then this has the Extreme, the Flower Bomb Extreme. So this, I got this with some birthday gift card money, and then so now I'm trying it this way. I can't get a full-size bottle, y'all, because the full size for the Viktor and Rolf, it is for 100 mLs is $182, 50 mLs is $145, 10 mLs is $35, which is a vial like that vial I got in this set. This set I think was $39 when I got it. So you do get a little discount getting them to, getting the set. So this is how this looks when you open it. How sweet is that? There's the regular Flower Bomb and then the Extreme. So I think this Extreme, I think I have some of this already. It is going to be the same scent, but a little bit stronger. So let's see how these open. Okay, it just pops open. Love it. I love it. Viktor and Rolf has several perfumes called Flower Bomb, and then there's different kinds. This is delicious. Delicious. I'm not real big into florals or anything. The Flower Bombs to me are spicy. Here's the original. How cute is that little glass bottle? I really like them. I really like it. Now the other one I just popped it off, but I don't know if that's, it's a bit of a screw to it first, I think. Love it. Okay, love it. So these are beautiful, and I'm very happy to have them. And normally I don't really buy stuff like that for myself, but what the heck? Oh, let me just, I didn't break them. I didn't break them. Thank goodness we didn't break them, but there they are. Super cute, super cute. Okay, so that's what I bought. That's what I paid for. Then I did get some free samples, because when you buy on Sephora, you get 2 free samples. You pick 2 free samples. They will, if they are sold out of those samples, they don't choose you something else. I wish they would do that. It would be nice if they were like, well, okay, she wants 2 samples and we're out of those, let's throw in something else. They don't do that. Usually, whenever I shop, their free samples are mostly base creams that I don't use. So this time they did have that, of course, but then they had a couple of perfumes. So I thought, well, let's get those. So I got Chance by Chanel. Look how pretty that is, the full-size bottle. These are also 100 mLs of this. A full-size bottle is $185. They do have a 50 ml and a 35 ml for $115. Let's see what she smells like. I have no clue. I don't know. I'm not good. I don't remember. I can remember things, but not perfume names, unless it's the perfume that I love. You know what I mean? So this is so pretty. And this is a nice sample size, you know. Let's spray it on there and then we'll see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good. It's very Chanel-y. Yeah. It's very bougie. It smells good. You know, I like it. I used to wear, when I was a kid, I wore Chanel No. 5. I know that sounds funny. I don't mean a kid, you know what I mean? But somebody, when I was young, someone bought me a Chanel No. 5. And that's the classic Chanel. Oh, that is very pretty. To me, it's very spring and summery. It's pretty. It's not spicy, which is what I like. But it's very pretty. I will say that. Very, very pretty. So let's check out the Jo Malone. Jo Malone London. Did this have a special? No. Okay. Chance is what that's called. Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Cologne is what this one is called. Peony and Blush Suede. So I don't think this says much on. Yeah, the Chance doesn't say much on it as far as like the notes. It just shows the beautiful bottle. I think I showed you that already. Okay, so not much information in there. Jo Malone has more information inside here. This says floral. Oh, it's in a different language. Okay, and then it is in English. Peonies in voluptuous bloom, exquisitely fragranced. I love the smell of peonies, but I don't want to wear it. I'll tell you that right off the bat. Luxurious, opulent, flirtatious, and then it says the top note, red apple, heart. The heart of it is peony, and the base is suede. Try pairing with red roses. So they must have a cologne called Red Roses as well, or a perfume. I'm going to spray it on the card. Sometimes I put these in giveaways if you guys like it. But I usually always will spray it on the card just once, so the rest of it's still in the bottle. So I usually don't give away things that I've used, but as far as perfumes go, you all have told me that that's okay. But you know, we want to know. Well, this is not spraying, and it doesn't need to be primed that much. There's a lot in there too, y'all. What's wrong with that thing? It's not coming out. I can't really smell it. I imagine there's a way to open this. But, oh yeah, well, no. You know what? I don't want to make it where I can't seal it again. I'm sure it's not leaking. No. I can't smell it because I can't. So, if I'll ask you first before I send this. I can't tell what it smells like. I really wanted to smell the Jo Malone because I know everybody likes Jo Malone, but you know that of course they have different scents out there. That is disappointing, y'all. So everything looks like it's in there. It just, I'm squeezing down and it's not spitting it any out. I probably, well, except for the suede part of it, I don't know that I'd really like it. I love the smell of peonies in the springtime, you know, in the yard. I don't have any, but when I see them, they're beautiful. But I love red apple. And then suede, I'm thinking I would like that. But somebody could use this if they liked it, pour it in a bottle or something, and then dab it out. Anyway. All right, so since I had some points, I had 100 and not much. If you get 100 points, you can get something for free. If you get 200 points, you can get something. You know, there's different layers. If you want, say you have 500 points, you can get a 500 point item, or you have 400 point item and a 100 point item, like that. You know, I only had 120 something points. So I've gotten this before. I love this. This I use on vacation when I go to my parents or whatever. This is from Amica, and it's the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. So it's a great travel size. And I think now you can carry this aerosol on the plane, but don't quote me on that. It is 7.75 ounces, 21 grams, 26 mLs. But I think they started where you can carry aerosols online, but this kind of thing I just throw in my luggage, and then I don't have to worry about it. But great for when I'm traveling, for when I need to use the dry shampoo. So got that for free. And then because I spent over $30, just so happened that day they had a special going on. When you go into these websites, they always, if you're a member, you know, if you ever buy from them, then you're a member. There's places that you can look for sales, and they had, if I spent $30, I could get, there were a couple different choices, and I chose this one, Charlotte Tilbury. Who wouldn't take that? This is Matte Revolution, Luminous Modern Matte Long-Lasting Lipstick. So let's see what she looks like. I don't know if they show the color or not. And I have a little lipstick like this. Look how beautiful that is. And just a free sample because I spent $30. It's stamped with the CT on the top. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see if it has a color name on this. Of course, where's my little magnifying glass? Because this is teensy tiny. Smudge was just here, so things get moved around. Well, let's see what it is, and then I'll. Okay, I may already have this because it looks like Pillow Talk, you know, so I won't. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything. We'll keep it gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. It's just a nice little treat. Yes, it is Pillow Talk. So I already have this one, and so this will go in a future giveaway. So, or maybe, you know, friend mail or something. But how gorgeous is that? It's just a little special thing, you know, you can carry it in your purse so easily. This fits perfectly in an evening bag. You know, I don't do any stuff like that, y'all. I used to do stuff. I used to do fancy things, but those days are pretty much over for me. So anyway, y'all, that's what I got from Sephora because it was my birthday, and you know, the girl math kind of thing, you got to spend money to get something for free, whatever. I think we all like to do that if we can. So heck, I got a lot. I got, bought this beautiful set, and I got the Charlotte Tilbury Gorgeous perfume. We got the Dennis Gross kit, the Amica dry shampoo, the Jo Malone perfume. Very disappointing that doesn't spray, and the Chanel, the Chance Chanel. Was that what we got? I think that's what we got. Nice. So you all take care and count your blessings. Thanks for stopping by to see what I got. And let me know if you take advantage of these programs and what you do if your birthday falls at a funny time of year. Y'all take care, count your blessings. Bye-bye.